She loves doing volunteer work as a street cleaner. She loves doing volunteer work as a street cleaner. They are having coffee at a coffee shop. They are having coffee at a coffee shop. The boy is cleaning his teeth. The boy is cleaning his teeth. The girls are flying kites. The girls are flying kites. The girls are jogging in the park. The girls are jogging in the park. Mary is hanging clothes in the line. Mary is hanging clothes in the line. Mary loves eating oranges. Mary loves eating oranges. She loves cats. She is holding a cat in her hands. She loves cats. She is holding a cat in her hands. They are riding bikes. They are riding bikes. She feels bored. She feels bored. Mary is feeding the baby. Mary is feeding the baby. She is playing the drums at a party. She is playing the drums at a party. Janny is talking on the phone. Janny is talking on the phone. She is singing a song at the party. She is singing a song at the party. They are watching a movie. They are watching a movie. This is a picture of a family. This is a picture of a family. The boys are playing in the water. The boys are playing in the water. We are walking to school every day. We are walking to school every day. They are practicing the music. They are practicing the music. We hate playing with snacks. We hate playing with snacks. A girl is listening to music with big headphones on her ears. A girl is listening to music with big headphones on her ears. A woman in a Japanese kimono is holding a cup of green tea. A woman in a Japanese kimono is holding a cup of green tea. A group of pets are gathered together on the grass. A group of pets are gathered together on the grass. They are sitting on a plane. They are sitting on a plane. This is a picture of a classroom. This is a picture of a classroom. The children are playing on the playground. The children are playing on the playground. She is washing the dishes. She is washing the dishes. The man is fixing his car. The man is fixing his car. He is a taxi driver. He is a taxi driver. They are exercising in the gym. They are exercising in the gym. She is doing exercise in the park. She is doing exercise in the park. This morning we are visiting the zoo. This morning we are visiting the zoo. Jane is smiling happily on her birthday. Jane is smiling happily on her birthday. The flight attendants are serving on a plane. The flight attendants are serving on a plane. Tom and Jane are raising their hands in the classroom. Tom and Jane are raising their hands in the classroom. Two students are presenting their projects in front of the classroom. Two students are presenting their projects in front of the classroom. The teacher is explaining the lesson to the students. The teacher is explaining the lesson to the students. We love eating in a restaurant sometimes. We love eating in a restaurant sometimes. Mary is reading a book in the library. Mary is reading a book in the library. Tom is playing on the swing in the playground. Tom is playing on the swing in the playground. Tom likes going roller skating with his friends. Tom likes going roller skating with his friends. They are skiing in the mountains. They are skiing in the mountains. She loves skiing in the winter. She loves skiing in the winter. She likes skateboarding. She likes skateboarding. The girl is watering flowers in the garden. The girl is watering flowers in the garden. I saw a UFO. I saw a UFO. He has bread and milk for breakfast. He has bread and milk for breakfast. They go on vacation at the beach. They go on vacation at the beach. They are playing beach volleyball. They are playing beach volleyball. The girls are dancing ballet. The girls are dancing ballet. He is arranging flowers. He is arranging flowers. She would like to be a doctor in the future. She would like to be a doctor in the future. The boy is walking at the beach. The boy is walking at the beach. The boys love playing in the water. The boys love playing in the water. He is drawing a fish. He is drawing a fish. He is helping the old woman cross the road. He is helping the old woman cross the road. This is a competition for the disabled. This is a competition for the disabled. She is playing the piano. She is playing the piano. She is playing table tennis. She is playing table tennis. She is playing the violin. She is playing the violin. I would like to be a firefighter in the future. I would like to be a firefighter in the future. The children love to play football. The children love to play football. Mary is weaving a sweater. Mary is weaving a sweater. They are dancing on the stage. They are dancing on the stage. Jane is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Jane is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Wrestling is a favorite sport for men. Wrestling is a favorite sport for men. Peter is reading a book. Peter is reading a book. He often goes to the bookshop at the weekend. He often goes to the bookshop at the weekend. They are racing on the river. They are racing on the river. He is cheering for his team. He is cheering for his team. She is stirring the flour. She is stirring the flour. The man is doing gardening. The man is doing gardening. She is sweeping the floor. She is sweeping the floor. Mary is sewing clothes. Mary is sewing clothes. She is listening to music. She is listening to music.